In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and redeem the Robux that you make using RoEarn here in Roblox. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you don't know what RoEarn is, it's essentially a program on Roblox that allows you to go ahead and get a percentage back for purchases that you make here in the marketplace on Roblox. So say you buy something like this Adidas community animation pack for 250, you're going to get 17 Robux back. It's essentially a way to get free Robux. But once you do go ahead and get RoEarn and have some Robux in your account, whether it's from purchasing stuff or from, your friends joining, you can go up to the very top tab and select RoEarn, and it's going to show you how much Robux you actually have from those invites. And by the way, if you want to use my invite code, I'd greatly appreciate it. It is right here. I'll go ahead and have it down in the comment section below if you're not already a part of the RoEarn community. But essentially, as you can see right here, this is my balance. I have 600, and as you can see, I actually have 0 Robux right now. All you have to do to actually get these is just go ahead and select withdraw to Robux, and it's going to load for a second, and it may take some time, but it'll tell you wait 25 seconds and it'll even give you a countdown right here, and you will have those Robux in your pending Robux and sale of goods just like so. So just essentially wait for this little countdown to go down. And once again, it does kind of take a second. But once it does finish, simply go ahead and select view transaction and you'll actually see those Robux go into your account. Now from here, you do have to wait for those pending Robux to actually get accepted. So keep that in mind. It does actually take a little bit for that to happen, but you will have those Robux pretty soon. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.